The jury could be deliberating on this case by the end of the week, and Jason Van Dyke's fate hangs in the balance. I'm here with Xavier Pope to break this case down for us. Always gives great analysis, and we're happy to have you back here again. So what do you make of the case the defense presented so far?
It looks exactly like I predicted earlier on the show, discussing how they would plant a vision of Jason Van Dyke. How would it look if you were him? This 3D rendering that they presented, don't think it's too strong. Don't think it should have been admitted, but that was their position. And also the expert they brought in to state that 12 of the 16 shots were in Laquan McDonald before he hit the ground, and some of the issues surrounding that. Still don't think they put on a strong case in terms of defeating the prosecution's case in chief.
Yeah, animation, definitely a controversial thing that's had a lot of people talking there. What do you make about the prosecution? What challenges does this case present at this stage for them?
Well, it presents them the opportunity to show what you see is what you saw. It's 16 shots on Laquan McDonald, 24 bullet entrance and exit wounds. A young man turning away from the police, should not have been shot one time. Excellent case they put on, not as strong a case by the defense, maybe something that should have slipped in, and that's where we stand.
And of course, a big looming question with the defense team: will Jason Van Dyke take the stand or not? What do you think about that? Is it in his best interest to do so?
Normally in a criminal case, it's not in the best interest of a defendant to do so. But in the case of a police officer, he may rely on the maybe an implicit bias of a juror that may believe anything he says, no matter what, under the color of law. So he has a really tough decision to make. I don't necessarily think it's advisable for him and his team, but we'll see what happens next.
Okay, witnesses are going to continue to be questioned this week, and once again, this could be in the jury's hands by the end of this week, and then we're on verdict watch to see what happens for police officer Jason Van Dyke.